step-by-step approach to weight loss, guided by Islamic principles, keeping it practical, spiritual, and sustainable. First, set the right intention. Begin with a sincere intention to improve your health to better worship Allah. Weight loss in Islam is not about vanity, but caring for the body Allah gave you, as the Quran says, and do not throw yourselves into destruction. Second, practice moderation in eating. Islam strongly emphasizes balance. Follow the Sunnah guideline: 1/3 food, 1/3 water, and 1/3 empty. Eat and drink, but do not be excessive. Stop eating before feeling full and reduce sugar and processed foods. Third, eat pure and wholesome foods. Choose foods that are not only halal but nutritious, like whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins. Include sunnah foods like dates, honey, and olive oil. Fourth, use fasting as a tool. Fasting teaches self-control. Beyond Ramadan, consider fasting on Mondays and Thursdays. It helps regulate appetite and reset habits. Fifth, stay physically active. The Prophet was strong and active. Aim for daily movement like walking, stretching, or modern equivalents of swimming and archery. Sixth, control your desires. Overeating is often emotional. Pause and ask if you are truly hungry. Use dhikr when cravings hit. Seventh, maintain a balanced daily routine. Sleep early and wake for Fajr, as poor sleep can lead to weight gain. Finally, make dua and seek blessings. Ask Allah for strength and consistency.